The world is a roar of metal and fury, a chaotic battlefield stretching to the horizon. But here in this chariot, there is only a deafening silence. My hands, they tremble. This legendary bow, the Gandiva, feels impossibly heavy, slipping from my grasp. Every muscle aches with a weight that isn't physical. It's the weight of a heart. Breaking under an impossible choice. I can't do this. I look across the field, and through the haze of my own tears, I see them. My granduncle, my teachers, my cousins. The very men who taught me how to hold this bow are now the ones I must aim it at. The sounds of war fade into a distorted nightmare. My own family, my own blood, standing as my enemy. How can any victory be worth this? My voice is a choked whisper. My mind is a maelstrom of grief. Then a presence, calm in the center of my storm, Krishna. His gaze is steady, a quiet anchor in my raging sea of despair. His hand rests on my shoulder, not with pressure, but with a gentle reassurance that speaks more than words ever could. He doesn't command. He simply invites me to see beyond my pain. He speaks, and his words are like keys, unlocking the prison of my own making. He asks me to look past the armor and the titles, to see the eternal essence within each warrior. The deafening cries of war begin to fade, replaced by a single clear note, the sound of my own inner truth, my dharma. I remember my prodigious strength, a gift I once celebrated. Now a burden I must learn to carry with purpose. I feel my footing, which had staggered and failed me, begin to find solid ground again. The dark, malign shadows of injustice, of a world thrown out of balance, are pierced by a brilliant light. This isn't about hatred or revenge. It's about restoring righteousness. Slowly, the fog lifts. The sunlight breaks through the dust and smoke, and for the first time today, I feel its warmth on my face. My spine straightens. My grip on the Gandiva is firm, resolute. The confusion in my eyes is gone, replaced by the fire of clarity. This is my duty. I draw my bow. The battlefield rushes back into focus. It sounds no longer a cacophony of horror, but a backdrop to my singular purpose. My heart is not filled with hate, but with a profound and steady resolve. I am ready. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, consider subscribing for more journeys into wisdom and courage.